In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change font size in Tradingview so your charts are easier to read and more comfortable to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and go to your chart. Right-click anywhere on the chart or grid area. From the menu, click on Settings. Now go to the Canvas tab. Here you'll find the font size option. Adjust the font size using the drop-down or slider. Increase it if the text looks too small. Decrease it if you want to fit more data on the screen. Once you choose your preferred size, click OK. Your chart will update instantly with the new font size. You can also adjust text size in drawing tools. Click on any text or label and open its settings. Change the font size to match your chart style. This helps keep everything clean and readable. Now your Tradingview workspace is more comfortable and personalized. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.